Hello friends, welcome to JobSolve channel. I wish you are all safe at home. If you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 31st May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Who has become the new chairman and MD of Oriental Insurance Company? So it is S.N. Rajeshwari. S.N. Rajeshwari is the general manager of New Indian Assurance, has been selected by the Bank's Board Bureau, that is BBB, as the chairman and MD of Delhi-based Oriental Insurance Company. Question number 2. Shehan Madhushanka, who has been suspended from all forms of cricket, plays from which country? So it is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka suspends fast bowler S. Madhushanka after the heroin arrest. Question number 3. Who has been elected as the president of New Development Bank? So it is option number B, Marcos Prado Trojo. So he has become the president, and Anil Kishora become vice president. And National Development Bank headquarters present in Shanghai, China. Question number 4. National Payment Corporation of India has launched an AI-based chatbot named Pi. National Payment Corporation of India, what it does? So NCPI managing the retail payments like UPI, RuPay, etc. and it has launched Pi to manage all this platform. So NCPI headquarters present in Mumbai. Dilis Aspe is its MD and CEO. Question number 5. According to S&P Global Ratings, the Indian economy will shrink by how much percent in the current fiscal financial year 2021? So it is 5%. So S&P Global Rating, its headquarters present in New York, and its president is John Beresford. So similar to this, earlier this week, Fitch Rating and CRISIL too projected a 5% contraction in the Indian economy. Question number 6. Which IIT institution has developed a lightweight alloy to replace steel aluminum in cars? So it is developed by IIT Madras. So researcher at IIT Madras along with the University of North Texas and US Army Research Laboratory have developed a magnesium alloy that can replace steel and aluminum in the automotive and aerospace component, and it is also light in weight. Question number 7. The National Company Law Tribunal, that is NCLT, has allowed the debt-ridden IL and FS to sell its how much percentage stake in the GIFT City to the Gujarat government? So it is 50% stake. Question number 8. Flipkart has signed an agreement with which state for enabling farmers to sell their fresh produce online? So it is have signed with Karnataka Mango Board to help farmers to sell online. So some GKL to Flipkart. Flipkart headquarters present in Bangalore, and Kalyan Krishnamurthy is its CEO. Karnataka capital is Bengaluru, and its CM is B.S. Yedurappa. Governor is Vajubhai Valla. Question number 9. SEBI has imposed a penalty of how much rupees lakh on the National Highway Authority of India for delaying making timely disclose about financial result? So it is 7 lakh rupees penalty. So SEBI full form is Security and Exchange Board of India, whose headquarters present in Mumbai, and it was founded on April 12, 1988, and Ajay Tyagi is its chairman. Similarly, NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India, its headquarters present in New Delhi, and Sukhbir Singh Sandhu is its chairman. Question number 10. The Asian Development Bank and the government of India has signed a $177 million loan to upgrade 450 km of state highway in which state? So it is in Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Uddhav Thackeray is its CM and governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Asian Development Bank, its headquarters present in Manila, Philippines, and Masasugo Asakawa is its president. Question number 11. When is World Hunger Day 2020 observed? So it is observed on 28 May. Question number 12. Which country has started building its first stealth bomber under its prospective aviation complex for long range aviation, that is Pakhda program? So it is developed by Russia. Russia capital is Moscow. Its currency is Russian ruble and president is Vladimir Putin. Question number 13. Who is the author of the book The Ikabog? So it is famous J.K. Rowling, who has written the Harry Potter series. Question number 14. Which state government would soon launch a project to maintain health database for all its citizens by having a state health register? So it is done by Karnataka. And Karnataka is going to maintain a state health register for its 6.5 crore people. Question 15. Which state has suspended the entry of any person coming from 5 states to contain the spread of deadly novel coronavirus? So it is Karnataka. And which 5 states? It is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, because these are the big 5 states where the corona cases is huge. Question number 16. Mujabta Hussain, who passed away recently, was a renowned Urdu writer and he belongs to Hyderabad. Question number 17. Which state government will develop 800 km road as herbal road in the state? So it is done by Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Yogi Adityanath is its CM and governor is Anandben Patel. So these herbal roads will have medicinal and herbal trees along with the land on the both side. Last question of the day. Karnataka government has decided to name Bengaluru's Yelahanka flyover after which personality? So it is after Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. So PM Narendra Modi also pays tribute to Veer Savarkar on his 137th birth anniversary. So Veer Savarkar born on 28 May 1883. So these are the current affairs of today. I wish you like the video. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel for daily current affairs and job alert. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home.